Alright, we're putting up this smoke detector here in the hallway. We gotta take one down, put the other one up. Pretty easy job, but some people just don't know how to do it, so we're gonna try to show them. I have my main man here, you know.
How we do it next time, man.
A lot of things people overlook, and smoke detectors are one of them.
Bad, that's bad.
Fire happens, nobody run, everybody get hurt, because there ain't no alarm. Well, today, we're gonna have an alarm. All right, sometimes when it does that, let me show you something. Hold this. Okay. Sometimes when it does that, it don't want to come out, right? That's because everything's stripped out. Put your finger behind it, put a little pressure, give it a little help. And once you get both of them back there, you just pressure it. See what I'm saying? Just keep that pressure on it, it should come right out. Remember, two hands are better than one, unless you're using electricity, and you try to always keep a free hand. Now it looks like we already got some holes there for that other one. So we might just be able to put our little red spots in there and just put her in. You should be able to grab her now. I'll just twist her on out, yeah. Alright, now, see, I think, so these two holes right here, I think those are for the other one. And there's your screws right there. You drop them on the ground. Alright, I got you. Right there, I put everything right there. And remember, don't beat it. Just tap her in flat. But first, take the back of that one and make sure that holes line up before we put those in there.
Say it again?
The back of that one, make sure them holes line up with them holes.
Oh yeah.
Before we do that. Because then we'll just have to, and if they don't, you still got to take a pin and mark them. Turn it over. Not those holes. See this hole right here? That one? It would go right here. That hole, bam. Now, over there.
All I do is just put one right there, huh?
Hold on, hold on. Pull it down. Pull this down. You see that hole right there? Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to make sure them two holes right there line up with these two holes right here. If they do, we're in there. And look, whoa. See here. Looky there.
Perfect.
All right, so let's get our drill and go ahead so you can get used to it and drill some holes right there. And watch your eyes now, because that stuff will get in your eyes and ouch. Try to get it straight. There you go.
A little deeper? Nah, I think
No, you're good. Alright, fix your switch. Yep. Alright, there you go. You have to hold it and hit it at the same time. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Here, hold this. So look. Take this right here. Put it like that. This is our hole, right? You're holding the spot, that way you'll hit your finger. This one. Right. You got me recorded? Oh, let's see. That didn't work. Just like that. Get your screws. This is your Phillips screwdriver. Line them up. And look at what you got going on. Think about what you're doing. No, think about it. Give it a thought. What? Nope. How'd you take your measurements? Whenever you, which way was that facing? Whenever, as you no, flip it over. There you go. There you go. That's all right. Get it started. All right, now go ahead and start your other one. Remember, you ain't got to push. Just let that screwdriver do its own thing. All right, hit this side. One push. A little more, a little more. Yeah, I know it. You gotta use them shoulders. That's a workout, ain't it?
Yeah.
Doing good though. Hands on is the best way you can go. All right, that's good.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. All right, a little bit more. There you go. That's good. All right, now slide your other part on. You've already tested it, so we know it's good.
You should just be able to slide right on
It
there.
slides right on. Once you get in that spot, slide it the other way. There's off. All right, yep, you're right. Bam, now slide it. Turn it. There she is. She good?
Yep.
You like it? I love it. All right, next spot. He wants one in here. Now, I'm thinking we could put it right in the middle of the room, or we could put it right there.
Right here? I think
Yeah.
right here is better.
I think right there is a great idea. All right. And we still got to